Hey, I'm just making this video because I wanted to see if anyone has any ideas. Um, I have this DS Lite. I'm trying to sell it, and trying to see if there's any way I can clean it up. Hope anyone has any ideas. It's a little bit, it's not as white as it could be. And then in the sides, I don't know if you can see what, like, in that crack, there's some, like, crap stuck in it. I don't know how it got in there. But it's like a little crack, so there must be a way to get it out. Because it got in there. Right in there. And the bumper buttons are like yellow. So if anyone has any ideas. Oh, and then same thing with that around the top too. So yeah, the feet and the bumpers are pretty nasty. I was thinking of using rubbing alcohol, but I'm not sure. That's kind of like dirty. I want to get it white again. So if anyone has any ideas, it'd be cool. Because I'm trying to sell it and I want it to look good so someone will want to buy it. So yep, thanks. And just comment or make a video response. Okay, thanks. Bye.